Peppa and Shark are playing in the garden with their ball. Come on, George, calls Peppa, throwing the ball up into the air. The ball lands in some long grass. Peppa and Shark go to find it. Peppa and Shark are having lots of fun, but where is the ball? The grass is too long, says Peppa. We'll never find it. Mommy Pig decides that it's time to cut the grass. We've let the grass get out of control, she said. Daddy Pig wheels out the lawnmower. It's a big old and rusty, said Mommy Pig. Nonsense, said Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig goes to push the lawnmower through the long grass, but it falls apart. Perhaps it's time to phone Grandpa Pig for help, says Mommy Pig. Grandpa Pig drives his motor mower over to Peppa's house. This is a job of Patsy, says Grandpa Pig. Patsy is the name of Grandpa Pig's motor mower. Patsy doesn't go very fast. They are slowing down the traffic. Grandpa Pig throws Patsy's horn proudly. Finally, Grandpa Pig arrives. He drives Patsy into Peppa's garden. Hello everyone, I hear there's some grass that needs cutting, says Grandpa Pig. Hello Patsy, says Peppa. Grandpa, please can we try it on Patsy? Of course, said Grandpa Pig. Hop aboard. Peppa and Shark glide up onto the motor mower next to Grandpa Pig. Hold tight, says Grandpa Pig. Together, they drive into the long grass. Whoosh! Grandpa Pig is having lots of fun, but he is very good at cutting grass. Peppa and Shark are enjoying their ride. Grandpa, you meet a pig, says Peppa. You spot Peppa? What's that over there? says Grandpa Pig. Our ball, cheers Peppa. Hooray! There you go, said Grandpa Pig. Cutting grass is easy with Patsy. Thank you for cutting our grass, Grandpa Pig, says Daddy Pig. And thank you for finding our ball, Grandpa, says Peppa.